Hello everyone, my name is Victor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an academic section in Alin Tagar SMS, which is the most important step before we start using Alin Tagar ATSMS software. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open the software. Okay, so I've already logged in, that's why I could see the dashboard when I open the software. And I'm going to go straight to Class and Subject Manager on the left sidebar. Okay, and I click the button and I got here section. Yeah, okay, I'm going to choose this heading, and then I'm going to click Create New Section button. Okay, and then I'm going to give the academic year name, for example 2026 to 2027, and I'm going to set the date. So let's see, the 1st of January 2026 to the 31st of January 2027, for example. So I'm going to click Save Section. So this is the first step. It's finished now, and it already saved to the cloud and on your local device as well. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create class and subjects and add students, okay, for more functions. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.